In Ireland this summer, individuals, communities and schools and businesses made space for nature. Lawns were unmown and areas set aside for pollinators hummed with bees. As part of the Green Schools programme, school children worked hard to earn their green flags. Increased government funding as well as philanthropic funds supported local biodiversity action and the preparation of community biodiversity plans. People came together for a greater good. The tide shifted for traditional industries, with machines repairing the peatlands they once exploited. Jobs were maintained and created. Communities benefited. Conservation measures in agricultural landscapes are being developed collectively with the views and needs of landowners respected and their roles as custodians of the land celebrated in nurturing biodiversity back to health. The private sector is beginning to take responsibility too, with many businesses asking, how can we help? Government ministries are collaborating to create a movement for business to make this difference for nature. As we emerge from the pandemic, we find ourselves at a crucial juncture for biodiversity and nature, for people and the planet. We will continue to work, particularly with our EU colleagues, for a new and ambitious global biodiversity framework at the CBD COP15 to deliver transformative change that is fair and equitable, that does not leave less developed countries or traditional communities behind, and that ensures that the role of women and young people is safeguarded and respected. At the national level, we will collaborate across government to develop and implement a new national biodiversity action plan that will empower all sectors to help turn the tide on biodiversity loss in Ireland and deliver on the UN Decade of Ecosystem Restoration. As the global response to the pandemic has demonstrated, we will all pull in the same direction. True transformative change can be realised. The people of Ireland not only need this change to happen, we also want it to happen. And that is where the solutions for the biodiversity emergency will be found. In our capacity to come together as a community in a time of crisis and collaborate for a better, more biodiverse future.